Most people trying to break into AI are doing it wrong. They start from scratch, learn random tools, and get stuck. But if you're coming from town planning, you already have a massive advantage. There's a smarter path into AI, and almost nobody is talking about it. Town planning is already data-driven. You work with GIS data, population trends, land use patterns, and infrastructure systems. That's not far from AI. You're not starting over, you're leveling up. Here's the exact roadmap to transition from town planning to AI expert without wasting time. 3 stages: data foundation, AI application, and specialization. First, you need to upgrade your data skills. Focus on Excel to advanced analytics, SQL to query urban datasets, and Python for basic scripting. You're not trying to become a software engineer. You're learning how to work with data at scale. Key mindset: from planning with reports to planning with data models. Stage 2, AI application. Now, apply AI directly to what you already know. Start with predicting population growth, traffic flow analysis, and land use optimization. Use tools like Python, Pandas, scikit-learn, GIS plus AI integration, and simple machine learning models. This is where most people fail. They learn AI in isolation. You apply AI to real urban problems. That's your edge. Stage 3, specialization. This is the part nobody talks about. Don't become a general AI expert. Become a domain AI specialist. Examples: smart city systems, urban data intelligence, environmental prediction models. Now you're not competing with beginners. You're operating in a niche with high demand and low competition. Reality check. This transition doesn't take years. With focused effort, 3 to 6 months for a solid foundation, 6 to 12 months to be job ready or freelance ready. But only if you follow the roadmap, not random tutorials. The biggest mistake? Thinking you need to start from zero. You don't. Your town planning background is your unfair advantage in AI. Use it. If you want, I can break this into a step-by-step blueprint you can follow immediately. I am Lawrence. Visit skilldential.com to decode high-level career skills through urban systems logic. I'll see you in the next video.